Unlock the secrets to crafting irresistible, progressive techno that pulses with hypnotic energy and evolving soundscapes. Let's dive into building that foundational rhythmic core. Start with a solid kick drum pattern. A classic 4/4 will serve as your anchor now. Layer in shakers, hi-hats, and claps. But don't just set them and forget them. Introduce subtle rhythmic variations. Perhaps a slightly offbeat snare hit or a stuttering closed hi-hat to create that initial sense of movement and propulsion. Automation is key here. Gently open and close filters on your percussion, or introduce subtle panning to make each element breathe and shift over time. Progressive techno thrives on those evolving soundscapes. We're not just talking about a static pad. Take a melodic element, a simple lead synth or a plucked sound, and apply it a la to its filter cutoff. Experiment with slow, sweeping modulation that gradually brightens or darkens the sound. You can also use delay and reverb with long decay times and feedback, but automate their wetness and feedback levels. Imagine the sound slowly expanding, then receding, creating that immersive, evolving texture that pulls the listener deeper into the track. The intricate arrangements are what truly elevate a track. Think in sections, but ensure smooth transitions. Start with your core rhythm and gradually introduce new elements. Perhaps a new percussion pattern emerges, or a subtle bass line deepens the groove. Don't be afraid to create moments of tension and release. Build up energy by adding more layers and increased rhythmic complexity. Then for a breakdown, strip it back to just a hypnotic arpeggio or a resonant pad before crashing back in with the full force of your elements. By focusing on these building blocks, hypnotic rhythms, evolving soundscapes, and intricate arrangements, you'll be well on your way to creating progressive techno that captivates and moves any dance floor.